Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I am going to discuss a very important topic of this chapter, which is adjustment of capital. We have already finished all the topics of this chapter. This is the last topic of this chapter, admission of a partner. And this topic is too much important for examination point of view. In board examination, especially from this topic, many of the times questions has been arised. Okay, see here. In this topic, we will learn two types of cases. Case 1 is adjustment of capital on the basis of new partner's capital, and case 2 adjustment of capital on the basis of old partner's capital. So first of all, I am going to learn the case 1, which is adjustment of partner's capital account on the basis of new partner's capital. These are the following steps. With the help of these steps, we will be able to understand how to adjust these capital. First of all, one thing you all have to remember, that the capital adjustment part is not related to the revaluation account part or the balance sheet. The capital adjustment part is related to only the partner's capital account. Therefore, whenever you start to solve the problem, first of all you have to prepare the revaluation account as it is. After the preparation of revaluation account, there is a need of capital adjustment in partner's capital account. And in partner's capital account, all the things related to revaluation account, general reserve, good premium for goodwill, all this treatment you have to do. After doing this, there is a need of capital adjustment. So here first step is calculate total capital of the firm on the basis of new or incoming partner. First thing what you have to calculate here, total capital of the new firm. How you will calculate the total capital of the new firm? This will be the formula for calculating the total capital of the new firm. Capital of the new partner multiply reciprocal of share of profit of the new partner. Second step, calculation of new capitals of all partners. How you will calculate the new capital of all partners? For this, first of all, you have to know the new profit sharing ratio, because for the calculation of new capital of all the partners, you need new profit sharing ratio. With the help of this new profit sharing ratio, you will calculate the new capital of all the partners. This is the second step. In third step, you have to ascertain the present capital of old partners after all adjustment. It means when you are preparing your partner's capital account, after transferring the old capital of the partners, then revaluation profit or losses, then premium for goodwill, if there is any reserve, then reserve amount, all these things you will provide as it is. After that, you will have to calculate that how much the balancing figure, roughly you will calculate that how much the balancing figure of this one. This will be the adjusted capital of the old partner. And in fourth step, you have to find out the surplus or deficit of the partner's capital. If it is surplus, then the partner can withdraw this amount of capital, and if it is deficit, then partner will contribute more the amount of capital, means partner will bring the amount of capital for the firm. So in fourth step, we will find out the surplus or deficit balance. Now what journal entry you will pass for doing this? The journal entry you will pass for doing this is in case of present capital is less than the new capital. If present capital is less than the new capital, then you will have to bring the capital amount. Means this entry we will pass: cash or bank account debit, concerned partner's current account debit to concerned partner's capital account. And if it is more than the new capital, then the partner can withdraw the amount, concerned partner's capital account debit to cash or bank account to concerned partner's current account. So these are the journal entries. With the help of these entries, we will record this one. Now here is an example. With the help of this example, we will understand how to do the capital adjustment work. Here are two partners A and B having their profit sharing ratio 3:2. A and B, their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. Their capital after adjustment. Here adjusted capital is given 80,000 and 60,000. They admit C as a new partner for 1 by 5th share. C is admitted as a new partner for 1 by 5th share, who acquires equally from A and B. It means this 1 by 5th share C will acquire in equal ratio from A and B. They C bring 35,000 as capital, then you have to calculate the actual amount of cash to be paid off or withdrawn by the old partners. First of all, we will calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Then after we will do the adjustment part. So here what would be the new profit sharing ratio? First of all, we will see here how much A will sacrifice and how much B will sacrifice. Sacrificed by A, how much A will sacrifice? 1 by 5th of 1 by 2. 1 by 10th A will sacrifice, and sacrifice by B 1 by 5th of 1 by 2. 1 by 10th B will sacrifice. Then what would be the new profit sharing ratio? Here the new profit sharing ratio of A would be here 3 by 5 minus 1 by 10. 10, 5 to the 10, 3 to the 6 minus 1, 5 by 10. And for B 2 by 5, 5 minus 1 by 10. Here LCM would be 10, 4 minus 1, 3 upon 10. And C's share is how much? 1 by 5th. We have to equal the denominator, 2 by 10. Now what would be the new profit sharing ratio? 5 ratio 3 ratio 2. This will be the new profit sharing ratio. Now we will do the adjustment work. First of all, what we have to do in first step, here we have to calculate the total capital of the firm. What would be the total capital of the firm? See here, total capital of the firm. First of all, we have to calculate this one. How you will calculate this? Capital of the new partner multiply reciprocal of their share. What is the capital of the new partner? Capital of the new partner is here 35,000. We will write here 35,000 multiply reciprocal of their share. Their share is 1 by 5. It means 5 upon 1. $1,75,000 would be the total capital of the firm. This was the first step. In second step, what we have to do? Second step, calculate the new capital of all the partners by using new profit sharing ratio. So we will calculate here new capital of A, how much? 1,75,000 multiply 5 ratio 3 ratio 2, it means 5 by 10. $87,500. 87,500 for A new capital. And for B, what would be the new capital? 1,75,000 multiply 3 upon 10. Now what we have to do? We have to compare from the new capital with the old capital, and then only we can find how much the surplus or deficit is having here. Those partner whose present capital is more than the new capital, it means this is the surplus balance. And those partner whose present capital is less than the new capital, it means this is the deficit balance. Those partner having deficit amount, he will bring more capital, and those partner having surplus amount, he will withdraw the amount of capital. This is the concept of capital adjustment.